client sits in your chair with hair that feels blown out. It's lost its elasticity, it's snapping, and no matter how much heavy mask you put on it, it still feels dry. That's because traditional repair only fixes the surface. But today, we're going beyond the cuticle. I'm going to share with you how to perform the Absolut Repair Molecular Salon-Only service. We aren't just conditioning hair anymore, we're rebuilding it at a molecular level. This system actually repairs 2 years worth of damage in just one application by re-injecting 5 essential amino acids back into the hair fiber. The L'Oreal Pro Absolut Repair Molecular range features a highly concentrated complex of 5 specific amino acids: glutamic acid, arginine, glycine, serine, and tyrosine. This precise combination is designed to mimic the natural composition of the hair's internal peptides. By breaking down peptides into these essential building blocks and pairing them with a peptide bonder, the technology is able to penetrate deep into the hair fiber. Once inside, these amino acids work to rebuild the hair's molecular structure, effectively restoring strength, elasticity, and movement to even the most damaged hair. The first step is our pre-treatment. This is highly concentrated with 3% peptides bonder and is only available in pro salons. When hair is damaged, its molecular structure made up of peptides breaks down. This spray is so advanced, it works to rebuild those bonds before we even start the service. It restores the internal strength of the hair, and you'll notice it becomes much easier to manage instantly. To use the pre-treatment, you wet the hair and squeeze out excess moisture with your hands. In sections, starting at the nape, you will apply the spray and work it through with your fingers in a ribboning technique to gently push those amino acids into the fiber. Now the important thing to remember here is do not rinse. Leave this on the hair for 60 seconds before moving straight onto the shampoo phase. Next, we cleanse with the Absolut Repair Molecular Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free pro cleanser with a luxurious treatment-like texture. It gently cleanses while helping those amino acids we just applied stay locked inside. It leaves the hair feeling clean, but more importantly, it feels weightless and strong. Always shampoo the hair twice, and where time allows, leave the shampoo on for a minute or two between rinses for maximum performance. The Absolut Repair Molecular Rinse-Off Serum is the hero of the range, specifically engineered to act more like a deep treatment than a traditional mask. Unlike heavy cream-based masks that sit on the surface of the hair, this serum features a highly concentrated 2% peptides bonder plus those 5 key amino acids. The tiny molecules allow it to be absorbed instantly into the hair's internal structure. It works to rebuild the hair's molecular foundation, restoring strength, elasticity, and movement without adding weight. The primary benefit is its instant transformation. Because it penetrates so quickly, there's zero processing time. Once it's applied and smoothed through, it can be rinsed immediately, leaving even the most damaged hair feeling remarkably strong, silky, and reborn. The Absolut Repair Molecular Professional Mask, an alternative for those needing a more traditional feel than a serum. It maximizes the same patented peptides bonder and amino acids technology to repair the hair's molecular structure, but with a texture optimized for professional application to ensure every strand is perfectly coated and reinforced. The result is a dramatic increase in hair strength and elasticity, providing a smooth, high-shine finish that makes the hair feel intensely healthy and revitalized immediately after a technical service. You can choose one or the other, or do both. To finish the protocol, we use the leave-in mask. This acts as a molecular sealer and provides heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius. It creates a smooth, glass-like finish and continues to protect the hair from environmental damage throughout the day. The newest member of the Absolut Repair Molecular family is the Shake to Shine Biphase Oil. It combines internal repair with a professional cosmetic finish. This lightweight formula fast absorbs to reconstruct the hair's molecular structure while providing a protective shield that offers up to 100 hours of radiant shine and 3 days of frizz control. Its unique dual-phase technology ensures that the hair feels weightless and natural, making it the essential final step to seal in strength and restore movement without any greasy residue. After providing your guests with this service, the hair doesn't just look better, it actually is stronger at a molecular level. Absolute Repair Molecular is a game changer for your salon business because it offers an instant, visible result with no extra time added to your service. It's the perfect upgrade for any client with damaged or over-processed hair. Try it on your next guest and watch their reaction as they feel their hair reborn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you behind the chair.